Hello, this is our second video. In this video, we will see how to open the software, give your password, and then how to open your export documentation module and how to feed your new customer in the system. Okay, let's start. Click on this icon, give your username and password. And this is your export documentation module. You click on this button. Now your export documentation module is open and you can feed your customers. For this, you have to click on setup and then on customers. Now you will press the button new. A system will automatically give a sequence number, that is customer identification number, which is at the moment is 18, and then you give the customer name. My customer name is Oracubes. And then you'll press enter button. You will go on currency and then once again you press enter button. You will select the currency of the customer. It is GBP, Euro, US dollar, or whatever you like. So I have selected GBP and press OK button, and then the cursor is automatically on country. You press enter button or click arrow with the help of mouse. You will select the country. Okay, then the credit days, and there is something more which you can provide. Click on miscellaneous information and you can give the address of the customer. Address of the customer is office number 28, second floor, SPCC building, Kashmir Road, Sialkot, and then you press save button. Your customer is fed in the system. That's how you can feed the customers, your new customers, in the systems. Okay, thank you.